Hello, everyone. This is Lisa from World Wheelchair Warriors, and today we're gonna review what I did. I tried to do some on the street when I was doing this, but I was able to pull out some new ones. So we'll see. But today I'll just review it that I have it here fully so that you have this one. So this is about streets, the wheelchair street safety blueprint. Yes, we can do it. All right. So safety mindset. We did that when we were over there. And awareness over fear. Awareness over fear. So we want to avoid the fear and figure out what feels comfortable for you when you are going outside with your wheelchair. Control your permissioning. No, not permissioning, not vision, but let's avoid this one. You are allowed to take up space, your space where you need to go, whatever moment you're going. So that's important. Then we're going to go to next, environmental awareness for your surface. So what's going on there with the surface, and make sure that that's going to be working where you're going. Then you're going to go to slope. Not splates, but slopes. So you want to be careful not to slip either up or down, or slopes. So you want to not slips, but slopes. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. And then traffic flow to make sure that it works for you. Sometimes people are going too many people. So you can move them out. Or crowd density. Again, like I was saying the other day, that there might be too many people. And so sometimes you have to wait either in the morning areas or maybe in the nighttime. Lighting. So, you got to see what works and what you can see. Sometimes we have that we can't see very well. But right now I have those situations where I can't see very well. So, but who knows why, but we're trying to keep myself in one piece. So the 5-second scan rule. So if you can find your 5-second scan rule where you don't run somebody over, or if they run over you, or or you don't run into something and you don't want to break something. So it's those kind of things. So think about a 5-second scan rule. All right. Verbal scripts. So things that are really going to hurt, that's going to help, either hurt or help. So let's take a look at, please don't touch my chair. Please don't touch my chair. So that or wheelchair if they don't understand what they're talking about. I've got it. Thank you. I've got it. Thank you. I need space. I need space, please. I need space. So sometimes you have to ask, move. Just move. Stop. Sometimes people get really rude and, they're out of their, just use stop. Stop. Those kind of people. So, but sometimes out of keeping yourself safe to say stop. If they're getting really rude, and sometimes you can get, they're going in the wrong way in their lives. So it'll help you. So you want to be careful of being a little bit more rude and say, stop, move out, move away, leave me alone, kind of thing. So sometimes you have to get a little rude. When the people who are rude, they just, I don't know. So they're just not, they don't help you. Route planning, strategy. We have a strategy instead of a strategy. Choose safer routes. So sometimes you might find something that is a good route, that works out there. Check lighting. So see if you can find what you're looking for, and you can see it. You can see. I have problems seeing. So no exits. So that sometimes it's important to know if you have to go in the back or go in the side to get away. If it's too much. Hopefully not a problem. Backup plan. So sometimes, you know that the day's just not going to work, but you need to go to the store. And so you're going to do your plan a different way because the people are just too busy. And so you say, okay, if they're going to go too busy today, so I'm going to go really learning in the morning, early morning. So that kind of thing. So you want to change your plan where it's going to work. So somebody might have a plan for you, but it's not about that. It's about you trying to figure out what is going to work. You. All right. So emotional strength is important for all of this. And this is very for you, not me. Sometimes in these things you might come to a YouTube trying to tell you big ideas and things, but no, this is about you. So not shrinking yourself. It's not about that. Confidence in public. That's important for them to know that this is confidence in public, really. So that they know, excuse me, yeah, I'm going to move over here. Thank you. This is my plan. I'm out of here today. So that kind of thing. So to feel confident in what you're doing next. Owning your presence. Own your presence. Owning your presence so that people know, whoops, this person is going. This situation is going to happen. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter about me. It does. Whoops, I almost messed my whole drinking my tea here, and I went whoop. So really, I almost could have messed the whole thing. But owning your presence, for people who feel confident and say, okay, I'll help you with your stuff if you want. So that question, I'm not going to thank you for the help, but thanks, no, kind of thing. So that's important to kind of think about, owning your presence. And so street safety isn't about fear. In the way of the world for streets, but safety isn't about fear. Okay? And then it's about confidence with strategy. So that is like the bottom of the plan here. So doesn't much of what I say, but it isn't about confidence with strategy. So it's about confidence with strategy. So street safety isn't about fear. So it's not about your fear. It's not about your fear. It's not about mine. So sometimes we have to spend that time to figure things if it's going to feel okay for you. So that's what I wanted to share for the street plans, the street ideas, because I want them to be safe and feel confident when they're going to streets for wheelchair streets. And for you to feel that this is going to work, and you're going to feel comfortable, whether you're with yourself, whether you're with friends, with somebody who's going with you, all these different kind of things. So think about it and just let me know. Okay, so the bottom plan here is that this I am Lisa, and this is the World Wheelchair Warriors, and I'd be happy to be with you and to give some ideas that hopefully will help, and maybe some of it doesn't work for you, but this hopefully will help when you're thinking about streets. And this is the reason why I want everybody to be okay and safe. That's my bottom line, is I want everyone to be safe as streets in your wheelchair, and for nothing to happen to you or anyone else. All right, think about it, and don't forget my what? That's correct. Don't forget my like. All right, we'll see you soon. And I'm hoping all of this worked for our Friday. Take care. Bye-bye.